approximate local time is 10:27 p.m. Bringing us in a few minutes early this evening. Ask that you do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, your carry-on items stowed, till our aircraft is brought to a complete and final stop at the gate, and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before leaving the aircraft this evening, take a quick look around your seating area and seat back pocket for all those small personal items you brought on board with you, especially your cell phones. When you open overhead bins, use caution to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during our flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices at this time. Your satisfaction is important to us. In the next several days, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We also invite you to use and download the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, the Sky Team, our global partners, especially your Los Angeles-based pilots and your 4 Orlando-based flight attendants, I want to thank you for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having you on board. We hope to see you again soon in the future on another Delta flight. Now, if you did check bags in Los Angeles, going to claim them here in Orlando, or perhaps your bags were taken at the gate area, all bags will be claimed at baggage claim B. Once again, all bags will be claimed at baggage claim B. If Orlando is your final destination, I want to wish you a nice evening, what's left of it here in Orlando. For those of you continuing onward, a safe and pleasant journey. Once again, thanks for flying with us, folks. We really appreciate your business.